Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about beautiful garden ideas for home. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. A garden is more than just an arrangement of plants. It is a sanctuary, a place where one can relax, enjoy the beauty of nature, and escape from the daily hustle and bustle. A garden is a living, breathing artwork that changes with every season, offering new sights, smells, and sensations throughout the year. It adds beauty to a home, enhancing its aesthetic appeal and creating a welcoming atmosphere. It also provides a space for creativity and expression, allowing homeowners to personalize their space and make it truly their own. In this video, we will explore some beautiful garden ideas that can transform your home into a haven of tranquility and beauty. Flower gardens are a timeless choice that can transform any space into a vibrant and lively area. They are characterized by a variety of flowers that bloom at different times of the year, ensuring a continuous display of color and life. You can create patterns or designs with different types of flowers for a unique look. For instance, you could plant tulips and daffodils for spring, roses and lilies for summer, and chrysanthemums for fall. Each flower type has its own care requirements, so it's important to research and plan accordingly. A vegetable and herb garden is a practical and rewarding addition to your home. It not only adds greenery but also provides fresh produce that you can use in your kitchen. Imagine the satisfaction of cooking with herbs and vegetables that you've grown yourself. Herbs like basil, rosemary, and mint, and vegetables like tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers are relatively easy to care for and can thrive even in small spaces. Plus, tending to your vegetable and herb garden can be a therapeutic activity. Water features like ponds or fountains can elevate the aesthetic appeal of your garden. The sight and sound of flowing water can create a serene and tranquil environment, perfect for relaxation. You can add fish like koi or goldfish, or water plants like water lilies or lotus to your pond for a more natural look. Remember, water features require regular maintenance to keep the water clean and clear. Garden pathways serve a functional and aesthetic purpose. They provide structure, guiding visitors through your garden and preventing them from stepping on your plants. Pathways can be made from various materials like gravel, stone, or wood, each offering a different look and feel. You can line the pathways with low-growing flowers or shrubs, or even install solar-powered lights for a magical look at night. An outdoor seating area is a wonderful place where you can relax, read a book, enjoy a meal, or entertain guests. Depending on your preference, you can add outdoor furniture like a table and chairs, a bench, or even a hammock. Consider adding a patio umbrella or a pergola for shade. You can also add outdoor cushions for extra comfort and string lights for a cozy ambiance. Creating a beautiful garden is a journey. It takes time, effort, and a lot of love, but the result is a personal oasis that you can enjoy every day. A well-designed garden can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, provide a space for relaxation, and even improve your mood. It can be a source of pride and joy, a place for you to express your creativity, and a sanctuary where you can escape from the world and reconnect with nature. So, start planning your garden today. Experiment with different ideas, learn from your experiences, and watch as your garden grows and transforms. Remember, the key to a beautiful garden is creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and make your garden uniquely yours. Happy gardening! Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a beautiful garden ideas for home. Thank you.